be testing out Daiso clay versus Model Magic. We're going to see which one makes a better butter slime. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. For the first slime, I'm going to start off with some Elmer's glue. Now I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream, but don't add too much shaving cream. We don't want it to be too fluffy. This is completely optional, but I'm going to add some baby oil. This is going to make it super stretchy and super soft. And because this is butter slime, I'm going to go ahead and add some yellow food coloring. I'm going to try to make the color really dark because when we add the clay, the color will lighten up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate with my borax water. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly. We do not want a stiff slime. When it gets to this consistency, we can start working it with our hands. This is pretty good, but I'm going to add a little bit more activator because it's just a little bit sticky. Now time for the fun part. Now we're going to go ahead and mix in our Daiso clay. I got mine on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll leave the links down below. Okay, this is literally the softest thing I have ever felt. I'm going to add in about half the bag. I think it is so satisfying to mix in the clay. I don't know if that's just me, but I just love it. It just sounds so amazing. So I've gotten this all mixed in, and this is so incredibly soft. It is just so amazing, and it's so creamy. Oh my goodness, this literally spreads like real butter. If you guys make this, you have to try spreading with a knife. It is so satisfying. It doesn't make that many popping noises, it's more for stretching and poking. For the next slime, I'm going to do the same exact steps. And again, don't add too much shaving cream. This time I'm going to add some purple food dye. I think it would be super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and activate. Remember to do this slowly. Now I'm going to go ahead and work it with my hands. This is a really nice slime. Okay, so I got my Model Magic at Walmart, and as you can see, it is much more stiff than the Daiso clay. Because the Model Magic is so stiff, I'm just going to mix in some lotion. This may take a while. So as you can see, the Model Magic has really softened up. It's so much better. So just for comparison, this is the one without the lotion. As you can see, it's super hard. It's as hard as a rock. And this one is like super creamy, so this is way better for the butter slime. Now it's time to mix it in. So I have gotten this all mixed in, and this is a really nice slime. This is super creamy and buttery. I really like this one. Now time to compare them. We're gonna see which one stretches better. Oh my goodness, this one is super good for stretching. This is the Daiso clay one, and this is the Model Magic. It doesn't stretch as much, but it's still a really nice slime. So now we're gonna test out the buttery. Oh my goodness, this one is super soft and buttery. This one stretches forever. This one is buttery, but it's not as buttery. As you can see, it goes in a little bit, so it's not as buttery as the Daiso clay one. Now for the poking noises. So this is the Daiso clay poke, not that loud. And the Model Magic, oh my goodness, the Model Magic wins for the poking. Now we're gonna test out the spreading. So this is the Daiso clay spread. It's really nice and really creamy. And this is the Model Magic. The Model Magic's one is good, but it's not as good as the Daiso clay one. Now we can test the crunching noises. So this is the Daiso clay. The crunches aren't that loud. Oh my goodness, the Model Magic is way better for crunching. Okay, I have to say I like the Daiso clay one way better because it's a lot more soft and more creamy. The Model Magic one is really good, but it's not as creamy as the Daiso clay one. But if you have Model Magic, I definitely recommend trying this. I love butter slime so much, it is so good. Oh! You did not see that. I could literally play with this butter slime all day. Look, it can just stretch forever. And it's so creamy and soft. Like, I definitely recommend Daiso clay. Like, it's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if it helped you, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you like my videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!